Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video I explain how you can arrange your references in an efficient manner. So when I first started writing research projects or research articles, arranging the references was the most hectic process, at least for me, especially if I use many references. So you can use a referencing manager like Mendeley, EndNotes, and RefWorks. They are all considered good referencing managers. I personally use Mendeley and I'll show you how you can use it. So first of all, look up Mendeley, then download it. You can download it for Windows, or if you have a MacBook, you can download here. So let's take a look. So you can sign up and register and have an account here, and this is the front face for it. So let's say you wanna, for example, include an article within Mendeley. So let's take this article. So you would try to copy the DOI number. This is an identification number for the article. Go here. So then add new, add entry. So then you would paste the DOI number here, and it would take the article into, so this is in the recently added. You will find all of your references here, and you can characterize them into groups of your different research project. You can also copy the BMID number as well. So let me show you how it can work. So first of all, you would have the tools here. You would install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word, and once you install it, you can go into the references here and you will find Mendeley site here. So it will show you all the references that you have included. So this is all of the references, and here are recent references, the one that we have added, and this is for this project specifically. So let's go to the recently added and let's see how it works. So as you can see here, I have already added different references. So let's say I've added diabetes, for example, is a chronic disease. Just a minute. And I want to add the reference for this sentence, for example. So you would add the reference here, you would choose it, and here insert a citation. It will show you that this is citation number 10 because I have already added the different citation. So let's say I want to take this sentence and put it, let's copy paste it and remove it. It changes the references automatically. Let me show you again. So here you can say that they have changed. This is reference 1, this is reference 2 and 3. If you remove the sentence, it changes automatically, and this is the good thing about Mendeley. So let's add here, and it changes automatically. This is really what I love about Mendeley because it's easy to use. And let's say you are done with adding all the references here, and you want to add all the references list as well. So you just put the precursor in an empty space, insert the bibliography, and here you can find all the references that you have used for your manuscript or for the section. Again, let me show you how you can also add several references. For example, for one, let's say here we want to add more than one reference. So you can choose several references. All of them you have used, and it works automatically. So again, let's copy paste it, put it in a different, just a minute. See, it changes automatically, and this is the thing that I love about Mendeley. So let's go back. You can also arrange them in a manual manner, in a simple and an efficient manner as well. let me show you as well how. So sometimes you might be working with a team of many different people, and you might not opt to, for example, to use a referencing manager. So instead you can let's copy paste this, for example. Wait. Yes, let's just a minute. So this is while I'm using Mendeley, but let's say if I'm not using Mendeley, for example, you can, for example, add the name of the last author, for example, and here you can add the number of the last name of the first author and the year as well. So for example, this paper was published in 2021, and another paper was published in 2023. So when you recognize it, you can just also highlight it. So when you're writing, you can just add the, as I mentioned before, the last name of the first author and the year of publication. So by the end of writing your paper, you don't confuse which references you have used for which statement or which article. So by the end of this, you would just say, okay, I use this. So you would just change it into 3, and then this, you change it into 2. I hope this is clear what I'm trying to say. I'll try to show you an example later on in one of the other videos, and I hope you find this video useful. Best of luck.